Need to update the time, date, or even location of a photo on your iPhone? With iOS 26, you can easily adjust photo metadata directly in the Photos app, perfect for organizing albums, correcting travel timelines, or just cleaning up your library. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Photos app. Go to your Photos library and find the photo you want to update. You can scroll or use the search bar at the top to speed things up. Tap Select to enable edit mode, then tap to mark your preferred photo. Then tap the menu icon. That's the three dots in the top right side of the screen. From the menu that appears, tap Adjust Date and Time. You'll see the original timestamp for the photo. Below that, you'll find a calendar interface. Use it to adjust the month, day, year, and time as needed. To change the time zone, just tap Time Zone, then search for and select your desired city or region. Once your edits are set, tap Adjust in the top right corner to save the changes. Now let's update the location info. Back in the Photos menu, tap Adjust Location. A search bar will appear. Type in the name of the place you want associated with the photo. You can also tap a suggestion from the map list below if it fits your location. Once you've selected a location, it'll be saved to that photo automatically. To review all your changes, open the recently edited photo, then tap the info icon, the small I at the bottom of the screen, while viewing the photo. You'll now see the updated date, time, and location displayed. If you need to make further edits, just tap Adjust next to the section you want to change. Want to add a personal note? Tap Add a caption, then type in any description, memory, or tag you'd like to associate with the photo. Finally, don't forget to tap the check mark in the blue circle at the top right to confirm and save your changes. And that's it! You've just updated the details of your photo in seconds. No third-party apps needed. If this helps you take better control of your photo library, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more iOS 26 tips you'll actually use. Thanks for watching!